Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by parking the car in shade and letting the dash cool for 10-15 minutes. This prevents cleaner evaporation and streaks. Next, remove loose dust with a soft brush and vacuum crevices. This reduces scratches when you wipe. Apply a small amount of mild dashboard cleaner to a microfiber, not directly to surfaces. This ensures even coverage and avoids oversaturating vents. Once done, work section by section, so the cleaner stays wet long enough to lift grime without leaving residue. You proceed top-down to control runoff and catch remaining dust. Start with the upper dash, then vents, controls, and trim. For vents, agitate with a soft brush while holding a towel beneath to catch debris. For seams and tight areas, use cotton swabs lightly dampened. When cleaning textured vinyl or leatherette, avoid alcohol-based products because they dry and crack surfaces. Instead, choose pH-balanced cleaners. Make sure to remove cleaner residue promptly with a clean, slightly damp microfiber. You finish by applying a small amount of dashboard polish to a clean microfiber and buffing in circular motions. This restores sheen and protects against UV. Work in 2-3 square foot sections, then immediately buff off excess to prevent a greasy look, making sure seams and text remain free of buildup. If a matte panel stains or looks cloudy, re-clean with mild cleaner and dab. Do not over-polish. If polish transfers to screens, remove with a damp cloth. Never use silicone-based products on touch displays.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.